How to find longitude and latitude on Google Maps. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the longitude and latitude of any location using Google Maps. Super handy for navigation, travel, or just general curiosity. So let's jump right in. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Here you can search for an address or a landmark using the search bar. Just tap and hold anywhere on the map to drop a red pin. Once the red pin appears, a small info card will pop up at the bottom. Tap it, scroll down a little, and you'll see the latitude and longitude displayed there. If you need to save or share them, tap and hold the coordinates. Then hit copy. If you already have coordinates and want to find the place, just paste them into the search bar, and Google Maps will take you straight there. And that's it. Now you know how to find and use coordinates on Google Maps in just a few seconds. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.